Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install VS Code for the first time. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to open a browser and I'm just going to type for VS Code. Afterwards, go to this link code.visualstudio.com. Click on download for Windows. If you are using other OS, click on download. It's going to show you other VS. Since I'm using Windows, I'm going to click on Windows. It will download automatically. Since I have already downloaded the VS Code, I'm not going to do it again. Just click on the downloaded one. It's going to open like this. You can read through the terms and conditions. I'm going to accept the agreement. I'm going to click on next. Select your path. I'm going to leave it as a default and click on next. I'm going to leave this also as a default only, and make sure to click on these two. I will tell you why it is important, and just click next, next, and install. It's going to install. I'm going to click on finish. It's going to launch my VS Code. This is how the starting interface is there. See, these are the icons: Explorer, file locations, all the files you want, searching, replace, and this is for GitHub and everything. Here you can download the extension and everything. So I will show you why we clicked on the option there. Like if I go for, let me create a folder here called new, and because we clicked on the option there, we'll get an option show more options. We'll get open with code, so it will directly open the VS Code. Otherwise, what we have to do is we have to go for the terminal. We have to click type cmd, and you have to type code space dot. Then it will open like this. Just click on it. It's not issue. What I'm gonna do is now if I create a file like index.html, it's gonna work. So I'm gonna use a extensions. First one what I'm gonna use is material theme icon. Material icon theme that you install. What is this means? As you see, this icon is not so great. Like if I add style.css, sorry, see, this is the icon it is gonna give us. Style.css. See, these are the icons that is best, and yes, like this it will go. That if I off that one, disable now, and restart the extension. See, these are the icons. It's not now so good looking, so we are using this one. See, these are best. Also we can go with the prettier, like if I type something, I will ask a HTML boilerplate and I will create a div and I will write something. It's not looking good. I cannot format it with using normal only, but it will not format clearly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install Prettier. It's a Prettier code formatter. It's a code formatter. It's nice. It's work for everything. TypeScript, JavaScript, everything. After installing, if I go and format document with, select the Prettier. See, it will make the code do. You can also open the files using Control P, and you can type everything like index and the style. Will open the style page like this. You will open. Oh, that's it for getting started with VS Code on Windows. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials. Thank you, guys.